Hello, how are you? How are you guys doing today? This is New Life with Precious. Natural way to tighten your honey pot. Natural way to tighten your honey pot. This video is going to teach you exactly, you ladies, how to naturally tighten your VJ. How to naturally tighten your VJ. You want to have a very tight honey pot, because that way your husband or your boyfriend will be able to enjoy you the better. You know that there are a lot of factors that can make a lady VJ or honey pot become too wide. Frequent sex that you have with, that some of the ladies have with multiple sex partners, childbirth, some other factors can also make a lady becomes too wide down there. So when a lady's VJ is too wide, neither she or her partner will enjoy sex. She will not be comfortable at all. The husband or the boyfriend is not going to be either. I know there are a lot of medications, there's a lot of things that people use, that ladies use for vagina tightening, but on this channel I talk about natural stuff, and I'll be telling you just one ingredient that works wonder. How to tighten your VJ. How to make your honey pot tight. Okay, so what I'm going to be using today is cloves. Are you able to see that? I'll be using cloves. In my part, where I'm from, we call it kanafuru cloves. Are you able to see that? Okay, so in pidgin language, in most part of Africa, pidgin is spoken. So kanafuru or clove in pidgin is called zobo pepper. Zobo pepper. So how do you use clove to tighten your VJ? How do you use clove to make your honey pot tight? So all you have to do is you have to get cloves. You have to make sure you get the original cloves. Okay, you can get the powder or you can get the clove itself. Okay, so if you get the cloves, if it is not in powder form, then you will have to pound it. Okay, if it is in powder, then you can go ahead and just grab a sizable quantity of clove, put it in a cup of water, like in a cup, and you have to add, you can put it in a big container, right? A container that can hold 1 liter. You can get 1 liter plastic bottle, right? Or rubber. So you have to put that clove in there, you can get a quantity like 1 milk cup of clove, 1 milk cup of cloves. Put it in a 1 liter plastic bottle. Okay, add water, like 1 liter of water, and leave it for 3 days. At the end of the 3rd day, you will notice that the water will change. Okay, the water is going to change to red. So you're going to use this water to wash your VJ. You are going to use this water to wash your honey pot morning and night. Okay, what does this do? What does cloves do, to your VJ? It helps tighten your VJ. It helps to tighten your honey pot. It will also remove unwanted odors. Okay? Clove is an antiseptic. It's an antiseptic spice that helps clears infections from the VJ. Okay? So how do you know clove is working for you? So within the first 3 days of using clove, you will notice that it's going to be peppery down there, because it's going to be like you put pepper in your VJ. Don't worry about it, it's not going to harm you. This is harmless, no side effect at all. Okay? So the moment you no longer feel that peppery sign, if you don't feel it peppery down there anymore, the cracks are healing and the honey pot will start tightening. Okay? So do this today and thank me later. How to tighten your VJ, how to tighten your honey pot. Okay? So I've come to the end of the video. Go ahead, you ladies, try this out and let me know how it feels. Okay? So I'll be waiting for your comments. I'll be waiting for your testimony. I'll be waiting for your questions. If you have any questions for me, just leave it down in the comment section and I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. So make sure to share this video with your friends and family, because you might be helping a sister out there. Okay? How to use clove to tighten your VJ. How to use clove to tighten your VJ. How to use clove to make your VJ, to make your honey pot tight down there. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. This is New Life with Precious. I love you all. Until then, when I come with another beautiful natural remedy video, I leave you in the hands of God. Bye bye.